Hi everybody and welcome. So today I'm going to share with you a few Cessna 152s. They are all from Donair Flying Club. Formed in the 1960s, Donair Flying Club gained enormous wealth of experience as a flying school, and they train hundreds of private pilots undertaking air cadet contracts for the RAF and training of flying instructors, many of whom have gone on to become commercial pilots. It's well regarded with high standards of instruction and an excellent past record. In 2008, Donair was acquired by East Midlands Flying School, which now forms part of the larger flying club under the Donair East Midlands title. So these fly frequently over my house. They have a fleet of Cessna 152s and some Pipers as well. So yeah, enjoy everybody. Thank you very much.
Perfect that was. Absolutely perfect setup. Climbing. Still climbing. Leveled out. And he's low. Typically flew right low over the house, and I almost missed it. I've been out all morning. As soon as I go inside, he comes over. My fault for not checking flight radar. But there you go. Another shot of Donair, this one. I'll be back at some point. Oh yeah, he knows. Oh, he's just showing off. That's nice, I like that. That's good. That is brilliant. The tree's going to get in the way. Of what? Off he goes. Nice and low today.
If you did enjoy this, please make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.